In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files from Google Drive to Microsoft OneDrive. This process is very useful when you need to move your documents between cloud storage platforms while keeping everything organized and secure. Whether you're switching services or simply backing up your data, following these steps will help ensure a smooth and reliable transfer from start to finish. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can either search for it or directly enter the website address in the browser. Once the page loads, sign in if necessary, and you will arrive at your main Drive interface where all your stored files are displayed. From the left-hand menu, click on My Drive to view your full file library. This is where you can browse through your folders and locate the items you want to transfer. Take your time to select the files you need by clicking and highlighting them carefully. After selecting the files, right-click on your selection to open the Options menu and choose the Download option. Google Drive will automatically compress the selected files into a single archive and begin downloading it to your computer. Depending on the size of your data, this may take a few moments to complete. Once the download finishes, open your File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder on your computer. There, you will find the compressed archive created by Google Drive. Click on it and choose the option to extract all files. This will unpack your data into a regular folder so it can be easily uploaded later. When prompted, choose a destination for the extracted files. Select a location that is easy for you to access and remember, as you will need it in the next step. Confirm the extraction to complete the process. Now open a new browser tab and go to Microsoft OneDrive. Sign into your account, and once inside, navigate to the My Files section where your cloud storage is located. To keep your files organized, create a new folder by selecting the Upload, or create Option and choosing Folder. Assign a clear and meaningful name to this folder so you can easily identify its contents later. Once the folder is created, open it and select the Upload option again. This time, choose File Upload and navigate to the location where you extracted your Google Drive files. Select all the files and begin the upload process. After the upload is complete, your files will now be safely stored inside Microsoft OneDrive within the folder you created, fully transferred from Google Drive. And that's it. You've successfully moved your files between cloud platforms in a structured and secure way. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.